Hello? Hello?
Hello, where you guys?
Okay, on the way, on the way. On the way, on the way. So, are you guys ready? You guys ready? Let's go!
Our first destination is KLCC Park located in Kuala Lumpur City Centre. First, take the LRT from Kampung Baru Station and use platform 1 as we will be getting off at KLCC Station. Once you arrive at KLCC Station, walk straight until you see a signboard indicating that KLCC is on the left. Just follow the direction given. If you're still unsure, look for Isetan on the ground floor. Walk straight ahead and you will eventually see KLCC Park. And tada! We have arrived. Fun facts about KLCC Park is KLCC Park was designed to provide a refreshing green space in the heart of the city. It features beautifully landscaped area and over 1,900 trees, including some rare species. What you can do here is you can go for jogging, take photos, or even learn interesting facts about the trees planted around the park. Our next destination is Titiwangsa Park. We will begin our journey from Kampung Baru LRT station and we will also guide you on how to purchase a rapid KL LRT token. First, choose whether you will be taking the LRT or MRT. Second, select the station where you will be getting off. For Titiwangsa Park, we will stop at Hospital Kuala Lumpur station. After that, select your preferred payment method, either cash or bank card. Once the payment is successful, you can collect your token and proceed to the platform. We need to get off at Ampang Park for the LRT to MRT interchange, so take platform 1. When you arrive at Ampang Park, follow the signs to the MRT station. Don't worry if you get lost, there are clear signs guiding you to the MRT station. At MRT Ampang Park, take platform 2 and wait for the train. From Ampang Park, we will make our way to Hospital Kuala Lumpur. Once you arrive at Hospital Kuala Lumpur station, take exit B which leads directly to Jalan Kuantan. After exiting, walk straight and tada! We have arrived at Titiwangsa Park. At Titiwangsa Park, visitors can enjoy variety of activities. The park offers bicycle rentals, including duo bicycles that cost around 30 ringgit, perfect for exploring the area with a partner. There are also dedicated jogging and cycling tracks that provide a peaceful environment for exercise. For families, the park features a spacious and well-maintained playground suitable for all ages. The equipment is kept clean and free from rust to ensure children's safety. The park also provides sheltered huts and shaded areas where you can relax, take cover from the rain, or study comfortably. As night falls, Titiwangsa Park becomes even more beautiful, offering stunning views with city lights reflecting on the lake, making it a perfect spot to relax and enjoy quality time with friends and family. Our last destination is Perdana Botanical Garden. We will begin our journey at Medan Tuanku Monorail Station. Use platform 2 because we will be getting off at Bukit Bintang. Once you arrive at Bukit Bintang, we will exit through Gate C to transfer to the MRT station. After exiting, walk a short distance until you see the Bukit Bintang MRT entrance and enter the station. Make sure to use platform 2 as we will be heading to Museum Negara. When we reach at Museum Negara station, we will exit through Gate B. After exiting, you will immediately see Museum Negara. As we walk towards Perdana Botanical Garden, we can enjoy the scenic view of Museum Negara while following the pedestrian bridge. With clear direction guiding us along the way, after about 10 minutes of walking, we finally arrive at beautiful Perdana Botanical Garden. At Perdana Botanical Garden, you can relax and heal with your friends as the peaceful environment and stunning landscape create a calming atmosphere. The park also provides a jogging track, perfect for refreshing workouts. At night, you can visit the unique bamboo pavilion, a structure made entirely from bamboo, beautiful lit, and perfect for taking photos or spending time talking with your friends. The garden offers wide open space ideal for studying, picnicking, and enjoying the outdoors. Not only that, it is also a kid-friendly park, offering a safe and spacious play area where children can enjoy various of activities.
Well, I'm so sorry to tell you, but that's the wrap of our video.
And that's all the benefits you need to know. We really hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this YouTube channel. That's all from us. Bye bye!